Welcome to the ultimate studded tire showdown, Pirelli Scorpion Ice Zero 2 versus Michelin X Ice North 4 SUV. Two giants of winter performance go head-to-head in extreme conditions of snow, ice, wet, and dry to determine which tire dominates winter driving. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Scorpion Ice Zero 2 set as the reference point at 100%. On ice, precision and grip are everything. Michelin's X Ice North 4 SUV takes the lead, halting 1.26 meters sooner at 12.68 meters. For ice traction, the X Ice North 4 SUV edges it out by 0.17 seconds with a time of 2.39 seconds, and on a twisting ice track, Michelin pulls ahead again with a lap time 2 seconds quicker than Pirelli's. When the snow falls, these tires bring out their best. The X Ice North 4 SUV comes to a halt 0.64 meters sooner at 11.09 meters. In snow traction, Michelin edges out Pirelli by a fractional 0.17 seconds, and in snow handling, Michelin completes the course 1.2 seconds faster, underscoring its winter mastery. In wet conditions, the Ice Zero 2 turns the tables. It stops at 36.4 meters, besting Michelin by 4.2 meters. In wet handling, Pirelli's Ice Zero 2 maneuvers with agility, completing the lap 0.84 seconds faster than Michelin's X Ice North 4 SUV. Pirelli also leads in aquaplaning resistance, resisting slippage 1.2 km per hour faster than Michelin's top speed of 53.9 km per hour. On dry roads, the Ice Zero 2 keeps its edge with a braking distance of 34.4 meters compared to Michelin's 36.1 meters, a 1.7 meter advantage. Both tires, however, score equally in handling, maintaining stability and comfort under dry conditions. For noise control, Michelin takes a slight lead, producing 0.7 decibels less noise than Pirelli, which provides a quieter ride. And in fuel efficiency, Michelin's lower rolling resistance shines with a difference of 0.38 liter per 100 kilometers over Pirelli, underscoring its fuel-conscious design. In this battle of the titans, Michelin's X Ice North 4 SUV emerges as the clear winner in snow and ice performance, ideal for drivers facing extreme winter conditions. On the other hand, the Pirelli Scorpion Ice Zero 2 excels in both wet and dry performances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.